Even though we have guaranteed freedom of life, liberty, expression, and belief, inter alia under our constitution, we have yet to guarantee freedom to the teeming millions from want and ignorance stop in this country. Out of over 60 crore people, 80% live in the villages. Stop. It is the responsibility of those who consider themselves as the cream of the society to endeavor to ensure that not only the basic human rights of unfortunate millions are protected, preserved, and defended, but also endeavor to improve their economic conditions and lifestyle. We have to do everything to assure them that they need not go to sleep with empty stomachs in the night, but they can also wake up in the morning with the prospect of having a happy day for them and their families. Stop. It is in this delicate phenomenon of bringing about a socio-economic transformation peacefully by the force of laws derived from the Constitution. We desire that all intellectuals should play a very important role. Stop. The role of lawyers in meeting the challenges a nation faces from time to time has been ever unique. Stop para. The legal profession is considered noble not only because the administration of justice is assisted adequately, but because the profession upholds the right of dissent and also fights for the rights of those who are unjustly deprived. Stop. In the early days of the Greek and Roman empires, the functions of a state were exclusively confined to ensure security of the state and to administer justice. Stop. Societies from time immemorial have been conflict ridden. Stop. As long as basic instincts in man continue to prevail over his actions, conflicts in one form or the other are inevitable. Stop. A state which fails to resolve conflicts through the instruments of law will no more enjoy the confidence of its subjects. Stop. It is in this context that members of the legal profession can help the courts in administering justice well and effectively. Justice should not be delayed, nor should justice be hurried. Stop. To the age old adage, justice delayed is justice denied, it may be appropriate to add, justice hurried is justice buried. Stop. When justice is to be done between two conflicting groups or individuals, all aspects are to be carefully considered and weighed, and adequate opportunity of being heard will have to be given before delivering a verdict, because any verdict may affect the future generation as well. Stop. This is where the legal profession has a very delicate and vital role to play. Stop. In protesting against the cruelty and crimes committed against human rights, it is essential to provide machinery to judge and punish them. Also. Stop.